Nino Arakawa under the bridge.
Nino Arakawa under the bridge.
Tooru Miyagishi Hanasaku Iroha.
Tooru Miyagishi Hanasaku Iroha.
Rin Matsuoka Free Iwatobi Swim Club.
Rin Matsuoka Free Iwatobi Swim Club.
Flora Berserk.
Flora Berserk.
Yoshida Shouyou Gintama.
Where would Gintoki be if Shouyou had never found him and raised him at his school? Gintoki's amazing swordsmanship and unwavering morals are all due to Shouyou's upbringing. He founded the Shoka Sanjuku School and taught students of all backgrounds for free. All his students, including Gintoki, Katsura, and Takasudi, loved and respected him. After Shouyou is arrested by the Naraku, Gintoki and the others decide to fight in the war in order to save him. And although he meets a tragic demise, Shouyou's teachings and kindness are passed on to Gintoki. Just like his mentor, Gintoki leads a fulfilling life helping others.
Victor Nikiforov Yuri on Ice.
Victor Nikiforov of Yuri on Ice employs mentoring techniques that probably can't be successfully replicated with anyone besides Yuri Katsuki, his eventual fiancé. Hey, as long as it works the one time, using his powers of charisma, sex appeal, and adept skating skills, Victor takes a depressed and unmotivated figure skater and pushes him to pull off the best performance of his life.
Saitama One Punch Man.
One Punch Man's Saitama didn't ask to be a mentor. He's too busy working to garner recognition for his own strength and trying to get good deals on groceries. Even so, when Geno's a cyborg who is impressed by Saitama's physical prowess begs to train under him, Saitama lets him tag along as he does his thing. Most of his advice is actually completely useless to Geno's, so he learns primarily through observation. That said, Genos still manages to pick up quite a lot of information from his master, and learns a ton about integrity. More Saitama 181 of 253, the hottest anime guys of all time 109 of 149 25 plus anime boys you definitely crushed on 6 of 251, the very best anime characters.
Ryujin Arataka Mob Psycho 100.
At first glance, Mob Psycho 100's Ryujin Arataka seems like a pretty lousy mentor. After all, he tricks the 12-year-old mob into believing that he has psychic powers and leads him to believe that he can teach the boy to manage his own real abilities. However, there's a lot more to Ryujin than his dishonesty. He does have a lot to teach Mob: how to manage a business, how to stand up for yourself, how to deal with tricky social situations, and more. He consistently demonstrates that he cares about the boy, and that he's willing and able to protect him from danger. Sure, the basis of their mentorship is a lie, but it's a valuable connection nonetheless.
Luna Sailor Moon.
Luna of Sailor Moon is basically the only reason Usagi Tsukino Akaserina in the dub figures out the whole magical girl thing. Usagi is a middle school student who is naturally inclined towards laziness, so she needs a no-nonsense mentor like Luna to show her the ropes and keep her on target. At times, Luna can err on the side of nagging, but she still gives great advice for a talking cat.
Elias Ainsworth, the ancient Magus bride.
great magician Elias Ainsworth has chosen 15-year-old Chai's Hattori to be his disciple. Some aspects of Ainsworth's relationship with Chai's are sketchy. He purchases her from a black market, and, as the title of the series The Ancient Magus suggests, he's also motivated by the desire to marry her. Thankfully, he leaves the decision up to Chai's, and in the meantime, he teaches her everything he can about magic. His teaching methods range from hands-on exercises to advice based in personal experience, and when he chooses the wrong method, he apologizes and corrects himself. Under Ainsworth's tutelage, Chai's becomes a powerful magician, and Ainsworth himself learns a lot from her about how humans operate.
Tsunade Naruto.
Tsunade Naruto.
Master Roshi Dragon Ball.
Master Roshi Dragon Ball.
Biscuit Krueger Hunter x Hunter.
Biscuit Krueger Hunter x Hunter.
Silver's Rayleigh One Piece.
Silver's Rayleigh One Piece.
All Might My Hero Academia.
All Might My Hero Academia.
Genkai Yu Yu Hakusho.
Genkai Yu Yu Hakusho. Piccolo Dragon Ball Z.
Is Yumi Curtis Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood?
Is Yumi Curtis Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood?
Koro-sensei Assassination Classroom.
A giant, yellow assassin with tentacles doesn't seem like a teacher who could move us to tears. But Assassination Classroom proves it's wrong. Anyone who messes with Koro-sensei's students should prepare to meet their demise. Koro-sensei cares deeply for his students, often helping them with their problems or beating up high schoolers who assault them. Even though he claimed he would blow up the earth, the students of Class 3 still grew to respect and admire him. We all wish we could have a Koro-sensei in our lives. More Koro-sensei 14 of 251. The very best anime characters 11 of 221. The smartest anime characters of all time 52 of 257. The most powerful anime characters of all time.
Jiraiya Naruto.
While Jiraiya might not seem like the most appropriate choice for a mentor, he's trained some of the most powerful shinobi in the world, Nagato, Minato, and Naruto. His relationship with Naruto was both heartwarming and hilarious. Although he's initially resistant to becoming Naruto's mentor, he truly believed in Naruto and acted like a second father to him. Plus, his ridiculous antics and research as the Provi Sage never failed to make us laugh. In the end, Jiraiya had a significant impact on Naruto's life and left a lasting legacy behind him.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.